Welcome. If your Snapchat notifications are delayed or the app keeps closing in the background, there's a good chance your phone is limiting its battery usage. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow Snapchat to run freely in the background so you don't miss messages, snaps, or calls. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all system controls are managed, including how apps use your battery. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. The name may vary slightly depending on your device, but it will take you to a list of all installed applications. Now find Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This opens the app's specific settings where you can control permissions, storage, and battery usage. Once you're inside the Snapchat settings, look for the battery option and tap on it. This is the key section that controls how your phone manages Snapchat in the background. Here you'll see different battery modes. To make sure Snapchat runs properly at all times, select Unrestricted.